slowing down now.
Dima controlling
doing.
Grandpa John's train. This is all details here, and the crane, and so many details here. The little house and station. People are waiting. Yeah, and there's another shed here, and the car here, and there's this real trainer coming. It's kind of a new train. The train is coming to the station.
Shall we go backwards now? Shall we? Now, you bring it to stop. See the little, or you bring it to, now what we do, that's forward, and then you just press that one, and then it'll start off again. Wait a minute. No, we'll have to. Wait a minute. What do we do?
Can we put some carriages on it?
Not at the moment, because I'm still. Wait a minute. Take it back to 1. Press it again. Then start. Oh, wait a minute. What do we do? Wait a minute. Sometimes we have to redo it again. Okay, cab address. Wait.
Dima, tell me what's happening here.
Here we are.
What? What are you doing here?
Nothing.
You playing the train with your Grandpa John? Grandpa John built all these trains.
He didn't
and
build
tracks.
it.
He built it.
If he said the train, that means I think the train.
He built all this railway. With many, many hours of building this. Yeah?
And it's not really hard.
It is hard.
No, it isn't.
Oh, okay. Right.
Look at those trees and...
That train has just stopped.
Yeah, wait a minute.
Oh. This kind of little shed is here, another shed is here. And station, and all lights here. Station here.
It must be a really easy way of doing that.
Some kind of
Yeah, I'm just still learning.
Still learning how to drive the train.
Yes.
So far already. So the little charcoal is here, mean just loading, unloading. The crane. This one here. So much work going on. Another station going for John Bill.
Bigaboo.
What is this one?
It's just a random track.
It's a track for the train. Yeah.
Towards the game?
Yeah.
Okay. Say subscribe my channel.